this week's vlog. In a bit better of a mood this week. We'll see how we go. But yeah, so today I'm going to try and get some things done. I just sent a doll off to go to the States, and that was a commission. So that is on its way home. My finger's stuck in it. So today I want to try and finish off my candy corn cat. So hopefully it'll be available next week with a bit of luck. And then I want to do some work on my mossy raccoon. Also do some work on my raven doll. I have to check the feathers that I have in stock. The feathers that I get, I always try and get ethically sourced feathers. So I have to go through and see if I actually have any black ones. And then I also have a fox to work on. So all three of them are like maybe like 70% done. And then I can have them up in the coming weeks. I also want to start working on my Kurama doll. So I kind of put a hold on it. Now I'm thinking I kind of want to keep it. Just because I've got like a lot of Naruto figures and it'll kind of look pretty cool with it. So I still need to bake him, but I also still need to make the hands and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what we got. I also have the ears ready to go as well. I don't know when I'll do that. I want to finish all of these dolls first so I can actually have some things up in my shop in the coming weeks. So yeah, that's pretty much it to update so far. So I'm going to start doing some work. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. So today's Friday. Gonna do a little bit this afternoon. I took the sort of morning out to do, just not be so busy. So yesterday I managed to finish almost. I just have to add the whiskers. What do you call it? Candy corn kitten. So this one will be available next week up for grabs. My patrons get first early access to any works that I do, so my patrons will get early access to this little one. But if they haven't adopted, then she will be up in my shop next week. There's a couple of little things just to fix up, some things in the eyes, and yeah, like I said, the whiskers and stuff. I need to do that, and I need to take some photos and edit them, etc. But there's a little kitty cat. I decided to do like a two-toned face for her, because I thought a full black face might be a bit much. Plus it sort of matches a bit better with the body. It matches a bit better. So yes, there's that. I also sewed up my fox, so still gotta just do a little bit more to it, give it a bit of a trim and blah blah blah. So almost ready with that one, so that one will be up for grabs probably the week after, or something like that. What else? And I still have my raccoon to sew up as well, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that today. But for now, what I'm going to do is just finish this little one off completely, and then take some photos and do all of that. So yeah. End of the day, so I'm going to end the vlog. So I didn't really have a whole lot of time today, but I did finish up my little kitten, candy corn kitten. So I put some whiskers on her, took some photos, and then I'll have to edit the photos this week sometime to put it up for sale. But yeah, this is the little one, so that's that. I did trim up my fox, so all I really need to do now is for the head. I'm going to be adding some black markings on it as well. I haven't decided exactly what kind of markings, but we'll just see what comes out. I decided to put a white chest just to break it up a little bit, so the underbelly's still orange, but the chest is white. So I think I'm going to do like the original sort of fox colours, but do it white probably down there, and then the rest will be the orange, and then I'm thinking black ears as well, and then I'll put like little black things coming off like I normally do anyway. And then we have my Raven doll. I just gave it a really quick trim, so I gave it a quick trim around here. For this doll I added a panel here just to give it a bit more length, a bit more body to the body. And I like how it's working because it's given a good distance between the two legs and feet, whereas before I was just doing it as like a one piece. But I think adding that extra panel in there really helped. So yeah, just a really quick trim, nothing too overboard right now, because I'm going to put some fur on the head first before I do any more trimming. And then I have to do the wings as well, so I do have some black feathers in storage, I guess, in my lots of materials. So yeah, I'm gonna fur the face on it next week, so that shouldn't really take too long. So probably this one will be the next one to be finished. And I kind of wanted it to get done before Halloween anyway. So I could have something to put up. I'm not too sure about if I'm going to add feathers to the end. I probably will, just to sort of, just maybe like a few feathers just to see. Just to bring it all together. So my cat's up to something. And then I'm going to be sewing the Mossy Raccoon up as well. So I put some stuffing in it and then ready to sew up. I still have to turn the tail the right way around because some reason I didn't do that, so I'll do that in the meantime. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. It's another sort of taking it slow one, but which I think I kind of need anyway. So yes, keep an eye out for this one next week, or this week. Again, I want to thank my patrons for supporting me. If you want to support me over on Patreon, I have like exclusive videos and stuff, and tips and that over on there. Link is in the description. You can also head to my shop if you want to purchase anything. It's at creaturesofnat.com. And you can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook, also at Creatures of Nat. And I'll probably catch you in the next one. Bye.